What's happening, guys?
Yeah, that's right. I trimmed my beard off.
And I know what you guys are thinking.
Zach, I liked it better long.
And all I really have to say about that is, what am I standing in this bathroom for? Oh yeah,
It's plumbing time. So apparently, this faucet never gets hot water no matter how long you let it run. Let's see how true that is. Yeah, it never got higher than 70.5 degrees. That's not gonna work. So let's take a look underneath. Okay, so what we have here is a mixing valve. And the purpose for this is because, unlike most faucets, this one only has one inlet. So most faucets, they have two inlets for hot and cold, and you can control the setting from the handles. But for this one, there's no handle. It's just a sensor. So this controls the temperature going into it. And we're not getting any hot water, and it says for hot water to put it all the way down this way. So it's on the hottest setting, and we're not getting any hot water. If I put it on this side, it would be on the coldest setting. So we need to replace this guy because they go bad sometimes. Got the old one. Got the new one. Okay, we got the new one installed, and we got it turned on all the way to the hot. Let's see if that made a difference. All right, looks like that worked. See you guys in the next one.